God bless you, dear students. This is your English lesson, unit number 1, where we live reading email. Students, objectives of this lesson are contemporary email to understand the meaning of and interpret the text to identify meaning of words in the text. Students, this is a picture of the Mount Everest. It is the highest mountain in the world. That is why the summit of Everest is called the roof of the world. Students, you can see the mountain, highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is Earth's highest mountain above sea level, located in the Mohalanagar Himal sub-range of the Himalayas. The China-Nepal border runs across. Students, you can see this. And Mount Everest is very important to Nepali nation because it draws tourists from all over the world. This has a very positive effect on the country's economy. You can see it is worth seeing. Yes, students, Kathmandu, Nepal's capital, is set in the valley surrounded by Himalayan mountains. At the heart of the old city, Smazilai lays Durbar Square, which becomes frantic during Indro Jatra, a religious festival featuring mass dance. Many of the city's historical sites were damaged are destroyed by 215 earthquake. Students, it lies in a hilly region near the confluence of Bagmati and Vishnumati rivers. Students, this is an email letter. You already in the previous lessons I taught you the reading emails. Today, from Jiang Chu has written a letter to Asad. Subject: greeting from Kathmandu. This is the way to write the email. Hi, here in Nepal we have Mount Everest, which in our language we call Sagarmatha, at 29,035 feet. It is the highest mountain in the world. Many people from all over the world come to climb Mount Everest and to walk and trek in our stunningly beautiful mountains. In 1953, Tenzing Norgay, a Nepali Sherpa, became the first man with the New Zealander Edmund Hillary to reach the root of the word, which is mountaineer, name of the word, which is the mountaineer's name of the summit of Mount Everest. Student, last year, a local 15 years old girl became the youngest mountaineer ever to reach the summit. The yak has a long, thick, shaggy coat and is the size of large ox. It provides us food, transport, shelter and clothing. Can you see why Tibetan word for yak is nor, which means wealth? Students, yak provides food, clothing, shelter and transport to people. That is why the Tibetan word for the wealth is suitable name for it. Students, as I have taught the lesson, this is your home task. Why do you think the summit of Everest is called the roof of the world? As you know, it is the highest mountain in the world. That this is the reason that the summit of the Everest is called the roof of the world. Second question: why is Tibetan word for wealth a suitable name for the yak? Yak, it provides food, clothing, shelter, transport to people. That is why the Tibetan word for the wealth is a suitable name for it. And why? Next question is, why do you think Mount Everest is so important to Nepali nation? because Mount Everest is very important to Nepali nation because it draws tourists from all over the world. This has a very positive effect in the country's economy. These are the three questions, so you must try to attempt it carefully. Students, next is the next email from Maria to Dala. Subject greeting from Havana. Hello, Havana is rich in his history and has wonderful architecture, and there is music everywhere. Our people enjoy making rumba music all over Havana, in the street, inside and outside, restaurants, on balconies, in squares, in the shade of the trees, everywhere. We love the drums and African rhythm of our Afro-Cuban music. We are proud that it is the most popular in the Latin America. Havana is famous for the jungle, for the huge old 1950s American cars with their metal tail fins, which we still drive. You can see them painted in many different brilliant colors. Cuba is famous too for its manufacture of sugar and fat Cuban cigars. These are the words meaning: slush, partly melted snow, stunningly, extremely, york, long haired Tibetan ox, and shaggy melted hola, Spanish greeting, and architect art of building. Students, I hope so. I share two email letters from the foreign country, and the writer described it very beautifully. So you must try to develop your reading and writing habits to improve yourself. That is very much important. Students, you know, uh, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, and it is called the roof of the world because it is very high. And Cuban, music relies mostly on beat and rhythm, while our traditional music concentrates mainly upon melody. And here we people are different from the climate of the Kathmandu is cold, so that as in the previous lesson I talked you about the climate of the Moscow is cold, whereas the climate of our city is hot most of the year. Students, you must develop your reading habit, and unit number 1 almost have completed, so you must read it carefully and write the appropriate answers of the given task. And home task: in the email from Havana, which words are used to refer to the wing extensions which stick out by the back of the old American cars? This is your home task. Thank you and God bless you.